Whoa, what's wrong? Leo looks really scared. Ah, he doesn't want to brush his teeth. Whoa, hold on. You didn't clean them. Leo, your teeth will fall out. Ugh, gross. What's happening? Your teeth don't want to stay. It's because you don't look after them. They've all gone. Are you stuck? What's on your hand? Oops, Leo's scared of spiders. Jump off, itsy bitsy spider. Leo, what are you gonna do with no teeth? Look, let's go find you some new ones. Wow, so many! It's Bunny Big Teeth. Pick another pair, Leo. Try these white, clean ones. Ah! Frightening fangs! No, Leo, they're too scary. But he likes them. Oops! Yikes! They're razor sharp! Let's go and change them. We need shiny cat teeth. Leo? They're too bright and golden. Oh no! Bad guy raccoon's seen them. Looks like he wants them too. What's the feather for? Oops! A super sneeze! Quick, Leo! Grab your teeth! Raccoon's trying to steal them! Ah! Too late! Come on, Leo. Back to the store. Now choose carefully this time. But Leo, they're made of metal. Your teeth are the same as your metal car. Whoa! Watch out! Yikes! You're stuck! Pull! That's why we should take care of our teeth. Quick, Leo! What do you have to do? Yeah! Brush up and down. Front and back. Show me. Sparkling. Yippee! Oh no! Leo's got a toothache. Never fear, the dentist's here. Open wide, Leo. Yuck! Gross, grubby germs. Leo, your teeth are so dirty. You've been eating too much candy. Bacteria bugs make holes in your teeth. Drill them away, dentist. You can run, but you can't hide. Antibacterial spray will stop them. Go away, bacteria brat. Peekaboo! Got you! Quick! Spray him! Zap! Bish bash brush them clean. Round and round, up and down. Time to spray those bubbles away. Wowee! Sparkling clean!
To keep your teeth healthy, eat fruits instead of candies. And brush your teeth twice a day.
I will take care of my teeth every day.
That's right, Leo. Yeah! Oh no, Leo's got a toothache.
I want to go to the dentist. Nothing hurts.
Don't fib, Leo. Your mouth's all swollen. Look, Leo, the dentist is friendly. He'll take away the hurty.
So, let's see what the problem is.
The x-ray shows a bad tooth. That naughty tooth is hurting the tooth next to it. No, Leo, come back.
Stop! We need to treat your tooth.
Watch out, dentist.
Yeah?
The false teeth want to chomp and chew.
Yeah.
Quick, after him. He's hiding somewhere in here.
Yeah.
Leo, where are you?
Oops, that's the x-ray button. Look, he's there. Oh no, bone shaker. We'd better get those bones back in shape. Leo, stay there. No! Don't be scared. Dentist will make your teeth healthy again. He's hiding in the toilet booth, Mom. But which one?
Is there anyone here?
Leo, your boo-boo's gonna burst.
Yeah.
Meow. It's Leo. He's in one of the booths.
Let's see where Leo is.
Meow.
The x-ray will show us. Ew, he's not in that one. He's in this booth.
Leo.
Not again. Oh, this is the lay-down x-ray room. Look at what your bad tooth is doing.
My bad tooth is eating my good teeth.
Then, let's save your teeth.
Bad teeth attack good teeth and make them all bad. Don't worry, good teeth. Dentist will save you. He's a superhero. Dentist blasts those bad teeth and scrubs till they shine. Always brush your teeth twice a day and see the dentist for checkups.
I'll take care of my teeth and never be afraid of dentists.
Dentists are our teeth's friend. What's wrong, kids? It's only a checkup.
Meow.
Ah, what's that? Run! Look, Mom.
Yeah.
It was only a shadow.
Where are the kids?
They got scared and ran away. Oh.
We thought you were a monster. A music player? Oh, it's Doctor's disco dancing time. Come on, Lucky, join in. Time for Lucky's checkup. Did Lucky pass the checkup?
Lucky is healthy.
Oh no!
Yeah.
The checkup is over.
Leo and Lucy are hiding.
Yeah.
What's your plan, Doctor? Aha! Doctor playtime.
Meow, my stomach. Meow, someone help! I have a stomach ache. Doctor, please help.
Look, Leo, put on your doctor's coat. And your doctor's case, too.
No. I will help you.
What do we need, Dr. Leo? Yes, the stethoscope to check and listen inside the body. Not the eyes, nor the mouth. Check his stomach, Leo. What does he need to help his belly? A shot? No, that won't help. A thermometer? No, he doesn't have a fever. Yes, he needs medicine to make him better, doesn't he? Open wide.
Thank you, doctor. Leo is healthy.
An apple a day keeps you healthy and strong, yeah.
Can you help me find Lucy?
No, Lucy, don't go under there. Look, germs. Yikes!
The doctor is not scary.
Oh no, you need to see the doctor, quickly.
She needs a checkup.
Ah, Lucy has caught some germs. And she has a fever.
Yeah, Lucy is infected.
Yikes, germ attack.
Don't be afraid, Lucy.
Bish, bash, bosh. Haha, the germs have been zapped.
The treatment is over. Lucy is healthy. The sooner you have a checkup, the less sick you will get.
I will never be afraid of a checkup again. Me too.
Me three. Huh? What's that? Wow, cool cat.
Wow, I want to have gold teeth like this. Me too.
Ooh, what's your plan? Ugh, lemons are really sour. Rocking rockstar. Oh no, zingy sour alert. Do you feel better, Leo? Yuck, stinky cheese. Lucy, don't do it. Watch out. No gold teeth, but a gold face. I guess we should try something else. I spy gold icing. A golden grin. No, not that one. It's brown. Yeah, you did it, Lucy. Uh-oh, stripy smile.
Kids, brush your teeth and go to bed.
If we don't brush our teeth, they will turn gold.
No, kids, they'll be dirty and yellow. Yikes, your teeth, Leo. No, kids, it's not healthy. Your teeth are grubby and stained. Yuck! Stinky, rotten breath!
Oh. Kids, yellow teeth are bad. Remember the simple rules. Brush your teeth in the morning and evening. Instead of sweets, eat more fruits and vegetables. Come to dentist for a checkup.
Quick! Brush them! Yeah! Shiny, sparkling smiles!
Are you better now?
Clean white teeth look the best! Goodbye, gold teeth! Cool juggling, Leo! Careful, Leo! Sweet things hurt our teeth! Milkshake, too! Let's take a look inside your mouth! It's like Candyland! Your teeth are like spongy marshmallows! But teeth shouldn't bounce around! Phew! Candy cane slides! Woohoo! You're so high! Splish, splosh, choco shake bath! Leo, where are your teeth? Ah, they've gone bad! Too much sugar makes them rotten! Keep running, Leo! They're right behind you! How can we stop them? Let's see if this works. No, they're feeding on candy! Look for some veggies? There aren't any! You only eat candy! Leo, not the lollipops! That will make them grow bigger! Naughty teeth want a sugar rush! That's why you should eat fruits and veggies! And clean your teeth twice a day! Oh no! Leo's got a toothache! Go check your teeth, Leo! Ew, they're disgusting! Mom, look at Leo's teeth! They're dirty, bad, and filled with sugar! It's okay, Leo. Dentist will help! Look! It's Dentist Daddy! Open wide. Show him your teeth! Go away, you bad teeth! Oh? What's that? Aha! Dentist to the rescue! Catch, Leo! Toothbrushes are magic! Get ready! Brush, scrape, wash, and polish. Now we spray and rinse. Let's see. Yay! All clean again. Okay, Leo. Clean the other teeth. Zap! Sparkling fresh. Oh, this one's a naughty tooth. We need to stop him. Watch out! He's gonna grow! Ah! He's a germ-filled monster! Ugh, with stinky breath! Come on, everyone! Let's stop him together! Clean teeth have a protective shield! To stop dirt and germs! Wow, you did it! That's why you should always clean your teeth! Keep the badness away! Wow! Dazzlingly clean, Leo!
I will always take care of my teeth!
That's right,